everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's the next day. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up a little bit in here, get all this dirt up, because I'm going to be going outside and taking the suspension off the 744 turbo. What I'm going to do is I have the back of the wagon up on jack stands. I'm going to put air in these back tires and jack up the back and take these jack stands out and put them under the 744 turbo. So let me get you guys set up and we'll pull that suspension off that wrecked turbo out there, and we'll come in here and we'll install it on this. I got the jack stands out for underneath the turbo wagon in the garage. Let's get this up in the air and start taking the suspension off. So if you guys look, everything is all right. So if you guys look, everything has been replaced in this. It's got IPD lowering springs, or the sport springs. These are Bilstein heavy duties, brand new. This car had Bilsteins on it when I got it, but the fronts were a little worn out. The backs are the ones that came on the car, but it does have Bilsteins in the back. Stainless steel brake lines. Little IPD goodness back here. New control arm. This is all new bushings up here, guys. Everything's gonna get swapped over from this car because this car is a lot cleaner in this aspect. So let's get this thing off, guys. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unhook the ABS line from above. Got it. Man, I don't know why that wouldn't come off, guys. That was crazy. When you're doing brake lines, always use a line wrench. Because if you don't, you're gonna strip it. If you're wondering what a line wrench looks like, that's a line wrench, everyone. I don't know if it's focused or not, but that's what a line wrench looks like. All right. That way, it just supports the nut a lot better and prevents you from stripping stuff out. So, let me get this brake line off. Get this brake line drained. Knock the bucket over. Didn't spill anything, guys. Nothing spilled. We're good. Almost defeated the purpose of putting the bucket there. All right. Okay. All right, that's it for the front of the car, everyone. I think what I'm gonna do now is, oh, I almost forgot. We got one more bar to take out. We have that structural bar right there we need to take out. I found the right tool. All right. All right, to the other side. All right, everything now is officially off the front of the car. Steering rack's staying, everything's staying, everything else is staying. Okay everyone, I did a little work off camera, just some little nitpicky stuff. You tow it up in here, hold it up, and bolt it up. When you're doing suspension, guys, you want to leave everything, you don't want to leave it loose, but you want it just snug. You don't want it super tight yet. You don't want to torque it down because if you torque it down before you put the weight of the car on it, you run the risk of tearing your bushings. Okay, that's in. Yeah, I'm hungry. Okay, so this is what's going on, everyone. Took a little break, rest my back, eat, just relax for like an hour or so. Got the suspension in over here. Done some things off camera. Got everything dialed in on this setup here. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna get this strut assembly in, and then after that, we're gonna install the chassis brace and the anti-sway bar from IPD. A little messy in here, but once I'm done, I'm gonna just get the vacuum out and vacuum up all this dirt and put away all the tools and get it all organized. So let me get set up over here. I'm gonna stand you on the tires. Alright, so now we're going to install the anti-sway bar, the IPD anti-sway bar and chassis brace. First I gotta take out the old anti-sway bar. So we'll just get you set up right here. Get you a nice good shot so you can see everything. Let's get the wheels back on and then clean up this mess. Do one more thing before I lower it, because this will help. I'm gonna do two more things before I lower it, because it will help the look of the car tremendously. All right, first thing I'm gonna do, shut the hood. And I'm gonna put center cap back on. All right, you ready, everyone? Should be significantly lower in the front now. Let's let her come down real slow. Should be a lot lower. A lot lower. Oh man, she's low. All right. You can see the difference, everyone. That's on the ground in the back. So, look at that. Look at that. It looks so much better compared to that back there. I don't know if you can tell the difference in here, but in person, naked eye, it's huge, the difference. I mean, look at this. Can't get my hand in there. Let's come back here. See what we can do back here. Probably a lot more. Yeah, see, I can get my fist back in here. Shows you how much it's lowered. That's it for today. I got the whole front suspension dialed in. Not dialed in, but I have it all buttoned up. Minus the one thing I do have to do tomorrow before I start doing the rear suspension is I do have to jack it back up and set it down on the ramps so the weight of the suspension is on the ramps, and then you tighten up everything. So I'm gonna go in there and do that, but I just want to get her on the ground just to give you guys an idea what she looks like now. She is much, much lower in the front. I like it. It looks good. All right, I think that's gonna do it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.